Today we're making rainbow fruit skewers. So for that you're gonna need some strawberries, blueberries, grapes, pineapple, orange, mango and kiwi. So you're gonna take your strawberries and remove the green stem out of it. Like that. And you do that to all your strawberries. Your blueberries, wash them thoroughly and get them in a bowl. Your grapes, wash them thoroughly and remove them from its stem like this. And place them in a bowl ready to be put on the skewer. Chop up your mangoes, ask your mom to chop up your mangoes. Peel the orange and remove it like this. Cut the mangoes and the kiwi. You're going to arrange your fruits in the colors of the rainbow. Blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So you're going to start with your blueberries and you're going to put them through the skewer. So you can put 2 to 3 depending on how much you like them. Then you're going to put your grapes. You can put 2 to 3 depending on how much you like them. Then you take your kiwis and you can put 1 to 2. Then you take your pineapple and you can put 1 to 2 pineapples. Then you want to take your mangoes and you can put 1 to 2. Then you want to take your orange, you can put 1 to 2. Then you want to take your strawberries and you can put how many ever you like. And ta-da! This is your rainbow fruit skewer.